Kitty, what is you doing? What are you doing? I'm gonna go back inside now. Okay? Time to go back in the house. Let's go.
What happening, babe?
Why you look at me like that?
It's a fake laugh.
It shouldn't matter. I found it funny. It shouldn't. I found it funny. Why does it matter if a fake laugh or not? You're so sensitive, man.
Authentic laughs.
Whatever.
Hey.
That's why you put your seatbelt on.
That seatbelt ain't gonna help me. That nigga's coming to the side of the car. How is that going to help you if he hitting right there? He's gonna shoot. He doing 5 miles per hour. The seatbelt is not gonna help in that situation.
Still put the seatbelt on.
He going right there, bro.
Put your seatbelt on.
Oh. He's going right there.
Because I understand we're going right there, but plenty could happen between now and there.
What could possibly happen?
The bus hit you.
The seatbelt is not going to save you if you in a position where you are not moving and that bus hit you. How's the seatbelt going to save you?
It keep you
that seatbelt is for you when you driving and you hit something.
Well, I have my seatbelt on. You should put yours on. And you always telling me about you won't be safe, and you always telling me be safe. Well, you be safe. Put your seatbelt on. You didn't put it on yet?
But we going right here. To a side corner.
I understand it's a side corner, but still, the chicken can run across the road. And then you stop suddenly.
What?
And get whiplash.
You get whiplash with or
well, whiplash with your whole body then.
That don't make no sense.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
No sense.
Yes, it does.
Some seatbelts can kill you.
I understand that. I'm aware of that as well.
Now, see, if I was doing about 60 and I slammed in that car, then yes, the seatbelt would help me. The seatbelt won't help them because they're in a stationary position and I'm hitting them from the side. Okay. The airbags will probably help them, not the seatbelt.
Just trying to keep you safe.
So many people have been thrown out of the seatbelt. Let me tell you, basically the seatbelt stop you from getting thrown out of the car.
Yes, exactly.
Now, how going from there to there? From there, we going right there to right here.
Good, all these receipts.
You better keep the tire receipt. That's why you're
tire receipt, yeah. That's what you give me so I can keep it? You can be responsible sometime too, you know.
I was responsible by giving it to you.
See how much people on this line?
So they know.
See, if we get two beef patty and a veggie patty and a soda, that's $7.36 with VAT.
Oh, twisted. That's basically lunch now.
I don't have a receipt for the twist.
Somebody else say something for lunch, or they just have one party.
No, they might have a roti. You want a roti?
I'll try one.
I don't know how much.
They used to sell jerk chicken.
We have a budget. I left the other $10 on.
Yes, but that's why switch it from the guy just now and they put the rest of the change in there. You have $15, $16, $17.
Why I guess $15, $16, $17? I have 10, 11, 12, that's $13. You want Rudy?
I never said Rudy. I asked him what they have hot.
What do y'all have hot besides patty? Yeah.
I used to do jerk chicken.
So y'all don't sell Rudy's no more?
None reach yet.
Jerk stuff? None of them reach yet.
What's the party then? Two beef party.
Can I get 2 beef patties? A veggie patty. Any twist?
That's one.
You want a twist?
You know.
I don't know how much money I have. I have $13, so I'm trying to make this work.
Alright. Two beef patty, a veggie patty, and a twist?
2 twists.
2 twists.
How much is it?
That's 10.06.
So what?
What's something for the soda? And soda?
Soda's $1 something.
$1.15.
$1.15.
Time change, but yeah, in the soda.
Hold on.
You got the...
Yes, some sodas. Do I?
You get the soda then?
No. Alright. What kind of soda do you have, first of all?
I gotta remember. Sorry. Grape. Me going to veggie.
I want a grape. No soda for you.
No, actually. Dang it, be no soda for me.
Yeah, it's too good. Everything come up to
So what I supposed to drink if you drink soda?
You don't drink soda if you get it.
No, but I wanted something to put in my throat.
You can't get soda. You stop drinking soda. You're nothing else good.
Only them trees. What do you want?
What I said.
That's all the soda there?
Vitamins.
Give me Sprite then.
Man. So
Sprite.
one Sprite then.
You want a cup of ice cream with that?
Might as well. Look at fucking slush.
I don't want that. I want a Vitamalt. You buy me a Vitamalt today. Stress me out.
No money for Vitamalt.
So.
You gotta drink water. I gotta drink water too. You know this ain't doing nothing. That's only a splinch.
Your throat too big.
Give me some free ice, buddy.
$11.21.
Oh, we ain't do too bad. How much a Vitamalt is with VAT?
The vitamin is 2 what? Try. How much is the vitamin? $2.15.
Oh, shit.
You should have 15 cents.
Hey, look, see now they have 15 cents. Yes, I do. I can get a Vitamalt. Look at God. Yes, please. Hey guys, so I wanted to come and talk to y'all for a little bit. I didn't want to start off the vlog with me saying this, but then I was like, there's no way I can come and just come back. Like, I know there are a lot of questions you guys have, like where we've been, what we've been doing. If you follow me on my beauty channel, then you know that I've still been making videos here and there. But on this channel, I had stopped because a lot was going on with us, if that makes sense. Like, I think it was a year, 2 years or so about since I've done anything on here, because I felt like I had nothing like interesting to contribute, if that makes sense. We weren't doing anything. After Hurricane Matthew, we came back to the Bahamas. You guys know we came back home, and it's living in the Caribbean is exactly what they tout it as. You know, vacation mode, lazy, sun, sand, and sea. There's nothing really going on for the locals that live here. Does that make sense? Like, most of our lives are work, home, church, work, home, church, work, home, church. And that's really what it is, because you know what it's like to live in a place when you've lived there your whole life. So for me, I was like, if that's my life, I don't think you guys would kind of find that interesting. So I just stopped. I felt like I wasn't good enough. I felt like I wasn't that exciting anymore. Because when we had our place in Florida, you know, I always went out. I took you guys to stores with me, and being here, I can't do that because we don't have those things. Like, the most exciting place near me is the beach. So that's really what's been happening. It's not like I wanted to abandon you guys or abandon this channel. It's just that I felt like there was nothing happening, and I still feel that way a little bit. But then I was like, I can't leave you guys for this long and not come in and, you know, talk to you guys about it, because I can't talk about it on my main channel. I was like, let me come on here and talk to you guys about it, because I don't want to say I was depressed, but I wasn't in that space anymore. Like, I started to feel like nothing was happening for me, if that makes sense. Like, I'm sitting here sweating bullets. It's so hot. Like, it's so hot. Anyway, I'm digressing off of topic, but that's really what it is. I was like, let me come in and talk to you guys about it, because I know it's been a while since I've been on this channel, and I enjoyed making the vlogs for you guys. So I was like, since I enjoyed it, I just don't want it to be forced. I don't want you guys to feel like, oh, she's forcing this stuff. Like, I want it to be natural like it was before. So I'm going to try it. So it won't be a daily vlog. It'll probably be weekly. I will do my best to put things together, but we'll see how it works. But I just was like, let me come in and say hi to you guys, because I miss you on this channel. And if you're over on my main channel, then you have seen me. But if you've missed seeing the more, you know, relaxed things and different aspects of my life, then I'm going to definitely start that up again. Alright, you guys, so I just wanted to say that, and I'll see you in the next vlog.